Thanks to our efforts, the snowy renovation for Meow's Cafe is almost done. Standing by the massive cat tree, Zayne and I enjoy the sunset's glow, adding the finishing touches. Huh? I look up and see Zayne, who is supposed to be crafting snowflakes, is currently swatting at a snowball ornament. What's going on? Testing out the cat toy? Zayne pauses and faces me, earnestly explaining.
A builder's duty includes testing one's work.
Sure thing, Builder Kitty. While Zayne's fluffy tail sways, I sneakily tie a ribbon into a perfect bow on it. As I gloat over my handiwork, the tail flicks and brushes against my neck.
It seems someone can't keep their hands to herself.
Dressing up a kitty is part of a caretaker's responsibilities.
You've always been a quick learner.
A sudden faint noise from above the cat tree makes Zayne's cat ears perk up, with his hand swiftly reaching out. However, the ice didn't appear as expected. His evil falters again.
Watch out!
The ice-encased wooden cat nest hanging on the top tier comes crashing down toward us. I'm ready to deflect it with the toy when Zayne pulls me aside. Our unusual slip-up almost got us both in trouble. You dodged the cat nest by a whisker. As artificial snowflakes drift onto Zayne's hair and shoulders, we land on the couch together, safe and sound. Except for my racing heart, which skips a beat at the closeness of his face.
Thankfully, this couch was here.
Yeah, can't agree more. Did you use up your evil on the snowy wonderland? Zayne shakes his head, his soft cat ears drooping. He helps me stand up and dusts off the snowflakes on me.
My evil will be unstable until the cat ears and tail disappear. But this curse should be lifted soon, given the progress of our project Happy Kitty.
And my life will be dull again, since the fun of keeping a kitty Zayne won't be permanent. The thought of losing the cute ears and fluffy tail makes me lean in closer to Zayne, pretending to brush off the snowflakes on his head.
What's your excuse this time?
I don't have any. I just really want to touch these cat ears. I just love them.
Aren't you bossy?
Zayne's tail coils around my hand as it descends, and his deep, intense gaze pierces my heart.
Given the circumstances, I have no excuse to resist any longer.